Today we're going to talk about how to find and buy your dream car online. My name is Eddie Green, founder of LotToYou.com. At LotToYou.com, we have a dealer network of certified dealers. Our dealers understand how important it is to sell a very reliable vehicle to our customers. We were very particular with the dealers we chose to work with. How you can find a vehicle on LotToYou is very, very simple. You go to the toolbar, type in what type of vehicle you're looking for. The benefit of shopping through LotToYou versus the traditional way is that we don't help you just find a vehicle. We help you with financing, and even if your dream car is across the country, we can help deliver it to your front door. Since we have such a huge dealer network, our dealers have to be competitive with pricing, which helps to a transparent purchasing situation for you, the customer. Also at LotToYou.com, if you're interested in a service contract, that is available as well. For more information on how you can search and buy a vehicle online, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can go to our website, LotToYou.com.